Hello. When the weight starts to show itself, the first thing that comes to people's minds is dieting. But as everyone knows, even the idea of starting a diet is very annoying. Moreover, it is known that dietitian-style diets are not successful because they are not sustainable. Today we will talk about easy ways to lose weight without dieting. It is often much more effective to make some small changes in our lifestyle, that is, to fine-tune our lives, rather than dieting and getting into stress and distress. Let's briefly go over the most common dietary mistakes. Eating or snacking after 8 o'clock in the evening, getting up from the table without being full, snacking during the day, that is, a dirty throat, fear of being hungry, carbohydrate hostility, unbalanced nutrition, and inactivity. Apart from these, some small changes in our diet will combine to eliminate many mistakes and help us get good results. Here are 10 effective tactics to lose weight. Drinking a glass of water just before a meal will fill the stomach faster and make you feel full in less time, especially green salads. They are very rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They are also very low in calories. You can eat green salads almost unlimitedly. Start your meal with a salad after sitting at the table and drinking a glass of water. This will prevent overeating at the main meal. Scientific studies show that putting the same amount of portions on small plates looks richer and provides visual satisfaction than putting them on large plates or standard plates. This also prevents overeating. Reducing the size of cutlery, eating with a dessert fork or spoon, will make us eat more slowly. It takes 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the type of food we eat, for the food we eat to pass from the stomach to the intestines and for the blood sugar, amino acid, and fat levels that cause satiety to start rising. Eating in less than 15-20 minutes does not leave enough time for our brain to recognize that we are full. Therefore, it pushes us to eat more because we are not full. Ideally, 30 minutes between starting and finishing a meal is ideal. Another interesting tactic is to take a break during the meal, or rather, in the middle of the meal, and put the knife and fork down in the middle of the meal. Count to 100, drink some water and continue eating. If the food arrives at the table on a serving plate and stays on the table throughout the meal, you will feel that you need to eat some more at the end of the meal. For this reason, it is better to put the food on plates in the kitchen and bring it to the table in this way. Consumption of fibrous foods is extremely important. Examples of fibrous foods are legumes, whole grains, fibrous vegetables, and green salads. Fibers are beneficial. Probiotics are the only food for our gut bacteria and are extremely important for weight control. These foods provide short and long-term satiety. They regulate bowel movements. They protect against constipation and colon cancer. They reduce fat and cholesterol absorption by forming mass. It is very useful to sprinkle all kinds of fibrous foods in your daily diet. Another very important food group in terms of weight control is some foods that burn fat and accelerate metabolism. The first of these is coffee. The caffeine and chlorogenic acid in coffee accelerates metabolism by increasing fat burning. Do not neglect to drink 1 to 2 filter coffees a day. Another food that we know helps fat burning is green tea. The substance called gallylate in green tea is known to increase fat burning. Make sure that one of the 3 to 4 teas you drink a day is green. Another substance that we know accelerates and supports fat burning is hot pepper. Likewise, the capsaicin substance found in spices accelerates metabolism and increases fat burning. Sprinkling cayenne pepper and other spices on appropriate dishes is very beneficial. Remember that no weight loss diet or weight loss program can be successful without regular exercise. It is not just about cutting the throat. We need to burn what we eat and keep our metabolism alive. For this purpose, 45 minutes of moderately brisk walking a day is enough for most people. The only thing that does no more harm is our activity level. We add to our walks to increase our activity level. Going swimming or doing Pilates from time to time will provide an extra benefit. If we ask what one of the biggest obstacles to weight loss is, many people would answer insulin resistance. This insidious resistance impairs the function of insulin, our fat-burning hormone, making weight loss difficult or even impossible. So is it possible to break this resistance and lose weight in a healthy way? Yes. and with a very simple method: intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that involves stopping eating at certain time intervals and consuming only non-caloric beverages such as water, tea, and coffee the rest of the time. This method is very effective in breaking insulin resistance and healthy weight loss. The 4-hour miracle. A powerful weapon for weight loss and health. While classic intermittent fasting methods involve 16 hours of fasting and an 8-hour feeding window, we offer you a more practical method that you can easily apply to your daily life. The 4-hour miracle. In this method, you start fasting every day after having dinner at 8 p.m. and consume only water, tea, and coffee until noon the next day. By eating your first meal at 12 noon, you fast for 4 hours. In this process, your insulin levels drop, the fat-burning mechanism in your cells is triggered, and you start to lose weight. Benefits of the 4-hour miracle: breaks insulin resistance. Less insulin secretion accelerates fat burning. Ensures healthy weight loss. It makes it easier to reach your ideal weight by getting rid of excess fat, accelerates your metabolism. It accelerates the weight loss process by allowing you to burn more calories. Increases your feeling of satiety. It allows you to take fewer calories during the day without feeling hungry for a long time. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Reduces your risk of developing chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Improves brain functions. Strengthens cognitive functions and memory. Slows aging. Delays the signs of aging by increasing cell regeneration and antioxidant activity. How can you apply the 4-hour miracle? Start simple. Start with 1 to 2 days a week and increase the number of days over time. Drink enough water. Drinking plenty of water prevents you from getting dehydrated and losing energy while fasting. Eat a healthy diet. Make sure that the food you eat during the fasting window is healthy and nutritious. Listen to yourself, listen to your body, and keep practicing without overstraining it. Remember, small changes can have big results. By following these tips and finding what works for you, you can achieve a healthier weight and lifestyle. There is no one-size-fits-all approach, so experiment and see what makes you feel energized and fulfilled. Don't be afraid to get creative. Maybe you like to start your day with a brisk walk, or you find that an afternoon dance break motivates you. Have you tried any of these methods before? We would love to hear about your experiences. What are some healthy habits you incorporate into your routine? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below and inspire others on their wellness journey. If you are looking for more guidance and support, don't forget to subscribe for informative videos on healthy living. We will continue to share useful strategies, delicious recipes, and motivating stories to keep you on track. Together, let's make healthy living fun and achievable. Stay healthy.